but today I'm going to do another clean with me and craft with me mixed into one. I am going to make some lip balm for my family for Christmas gifts using this lovely beeswax, and it smells so good. It smells flowery. I'm going to be using this, the beeswax, and coconut oil and essential oils. So I'll be doing a mixture today, and I'm going to go ahead and clean my jar. When I was doing crafts with my son the other day, he filled the dish soap with food coloring. And it made it like thicker, and it's a little harder to get out. He was getting stopped up. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the top of the stove first. I cleaned it gently earlier, but the burners were hot, so it just kind of smeared stuff around. And yes, I did work out today, and that is why I'm wearing my workout pants. Otherwise, I wouldn't wear them. And I worked out yesterday, and today is the first time I've worked out in like a month or so, because I tore my calf muscle, like across here. I heard it. It made a big pop sound, like something exploded inside of my leg, and I felt it come apart. And I was walking down the staircase when that happened, and so I just laid on the stairs. I couldn't move. I was trying to hold in a scream, and my youngest found me on the staircase. So it's been a struggle since then. I couldn't walk for a couple days, and then every time I tried to walk, it would hurt it again. So I've been trying to be very easy on my leg. So I'm trying to work out because I'm tired of not being active. I want to take walks with the dog and do my exercises, and I haven't been able to do that. I keep all of my big plastic bowls and containers just all down in here. And I keep the lids in the bottom drawer here so that I can find the lid when I have a container, because I was tired of the struggle of trying to find a lid and go through my whole cabinet. I did paint my cabinets so the inside doesn't match the outside, but I wanted white cabinets when we bought this house, but they didn't have white. So I painted them when we got back from the beach this summer. The dishwasher never cleans these things right. I have to hand wash these. fill the pot with water. And then I put the glass jar in the water. So I'm just gonna melt the beeswax and the coconut oil together. On low heat. It is melting pretty good here. Let me use one of my wooden skewers. No reason except it's handy. So see, the beeswax is melting, but it's taking a while. Okay, so I'm not going to add the essential oils until this has melted, and I'm not putting honey in it because a few years ago I made it, I put honey in it, and the honey just rose to the top and separated from everything else. So we won't be doing that. Well, there's nothing else to do with this except for wait. Taco Joe's. It's a recipe that I got from the back of a Campbell soup can. And I've been making it for years, so this is what I'm having.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching Annie Might Be Interesting. Don't forget to subscribe and show some support so that I know to bring you many more videos. Enjoy the rest of your day. Come back and see me soon.